Hey, Tej here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for Cosmos with ticker Atom. We'll go over some key levels of support and resistance and wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory. Let's get going. So first, some levels of support and resistance and some geometry. So let's get the support and resistance levels first here. And these are the high time frame stuff, so let's go first over them first here. Volume profile from the all-time lows to the current date, and we can see some structure. Most again volume traded was around $5.30. Would be expecting a lot of action here if we ever get back to these prices. Monthly and a golden pocket of this move from the all-time lows to the all-time highs can be seen around this area as well. Generally, of course, these are massive moves here. On the real price on this one, it just looks small, but it is actually a 20% area of this. So yeah. Other interesting areas, we can see that the weave up has been climbing up, has been acting somewhat of a support previously. We've been wicking through it, but haven't been like closing below it and using it as a resistance before. This could be the case where we are at the moment if we could do that. So that is something to keep in mind. Now on medium time frame, volume profile, we can see some interesting levels. Range value area high with a monthly, point of control with a couple of untested dailies, range value area low where we're basically currently at, and this current one that we are at, these support and resistance levels that we're between, offering nice areas of interest as well. Now even more low term time frame, let's check it out again. Monthly with a golden pocket. This monthly has been tapped though, so it is not as strong of a resistance anymore, that 3160 area, so maybe we'll just ignore it for now. We got quite a few interesting areas, again still playing with these two resistance areas that we marked, and if we are breaking one of them, we should be looking into the next ones here. Yeah, I guess we could be marking this golden pocket here. We're starting to get some more volume into this area as well, just around this golden pocket, around $14.70. Now let's close these ones for now. Take a look at the pitchfork. So this pitchfork has been indeed broken now. We've gone above or below the 2 median line. We had a last bounce basically here at 1.618 median line. This has been offering great support and resistance. The last back test here of the median 1 line, and then starting to get down and breaking this whole pitchfork. So this pitchfork is no longer valid to me, at least. Also, this channel that we've had from the lows, all-time lows to the lows of June 2021, bringing up to the high point of February 2021. It has been offering again as well some nice confluence. The median line has been backtested and used as support so many times that this is a super valid channel. If we are ever coming up again, I would be expecting some kind of resistance on this channel touch, so that's why I'm keeping this on. Low time channel here, low time frame channel, from the highs of January 22nd to the highs of April 1st, and brought down to the February 24th lows. We can see that we're almost at the lows of this channel, and we could be expecting, well, there's really no divergence here unfortunately, so it could still show to go lower than this one, maybe the edge of this channel indeed. And these are the targets we had, all in interesting areas. So let's get into some Elliott Wave stuff. We had a couple of different wave counts. One saying that wave 1 ending here with an expanding leading diagonal. This is not really my favorite count. It's got difficulties placing the combination waves for the 4th, and we had already combination of waves for 2, so this is pretty much not really likely at all. I don't like this. I still have it, but just to keep it there. This one is, however, the best wave structure I have. Is saying again 1, 2 of primary. We got clean 4 wave structures, no issues here. Again, though, we have 2 different structures here with the WXYs for the wave 4s and wave 2. So yeah, combinations. Now this is the bullish count. We had more bullish counts, but I've deleted those as they got invalidated as we broken this low of December 2021. We had a couple of different ones saying that this would be again 1, 2 and then 1, 2 and possibly 1, 2, but again those were all invalidated basically, and now we're looking to find the wave 2 of this intermediate count, again saying that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 intermediate here. Now we like that count really a lot, since wave 2 was ending here at that time. That was saying that again wave 2 used exactly the same amount of time as the wave 1 did, so nice confluence there. But again, this is not invalid by any means, this one, so we are still looking for some kind of correction here. So minor W, X, and now looking for the Y. Currently I'll label this again as a W, X, and now coming down for the Y wave. I've labeled this as A, B, and C, and currently let's take a look at closer. Currently looking like this. I'm thinking this as wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Wave 3 is slightly larger than the wave 1, but it is not coming to the 1.618. So again, wave 3 needs to only make enough room for wave 4 to not get to the area of wave 1, so that has been completed if we place wave 4 here. We could still look this as a subwave structure here, but at that point wave 3 would be way longer than expected. We could of course take a look at it and think that again this would be wave 1, so we would possibly think this is wave 2, wave 3 here, and 4 and 5, possibly getting to the 2.618. I'm not outruling this by any means, it definitely can be that, but currently I am looking for only one wave downwards anymore, as we get pretty nice subwave structure here. 1, 2 micro, 1, 2 submicro, and there's one more structure here that I didn't label, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, into third of submicro, 4th, 5th, and the 3rd micro, 4th, and now 5th again, ending the 5th of subminuet, ending the C of minuet, ending the Y of minute and minor, Y and 2 of intermediate. So a lot of structures that could be completed around here. Definitely there is more labeling to be done if it goes lower, and indeed, as said, this could be another 1, 2, but then we would be expecting quite a bit more lower targets. If we are going to get below this area here of the golden pocket, around $15.20, then this is starting to look weaker and weaker. If we are getting to the 786 retracement of this first wave around $11.40, then this is looking so weak that we need to be looking for other alternative counts, even more so than we do now. But yeah, that was a bullish case. Bearish case is this one. Instead of wave 2 being around here, what is this called? Primary, we would have it out here somewhere. Now in this case we would be saying that again W was here, then 3 waves to X and 3 waves somehow to Y, and that this would have to be taking a lot longer, as we would be expecting wave 2 to get lower. Otherwise this would just be wasting time, as some structures do that as well. So that is not invalid as well if we are going to be ending somewhere like these areas here around the $14 to $10 area. Currently though, it looks to me that it could be a WXY, same count as we have for the bull count, basically looking for one more low before getting higher, and this time it would be for B wave, and instead of the 5-way structure we would be expecting on the bull case, we would be expecting 3 waves. Again, depending on how high this gets, it's either a zigzag or a flat. Could be a combination as well, but let's save some alternatives to the future as well. At this point though, we would be expecting that B wave and then another C wave. The issue with this count, however, is the time differences between the subwaves of these counts, because I've labeled this as an A, B, C, expanded flat, really expanding C, or extended C. It is looking really bad, this count, just because of the time it took to create W and X that it would have to take to create this last leg here. Now, would it be possible to have this as some kind of ABC structure here? Well, the 0.618 extension is all the way up here, so I'm not outruling it, saying that this could be some kind of a ABC and then 3 and 3, and the X would be on here. But again, that would stretch this whole structure out even more and make this first leg even worse looking. So the overall structure would suffer even more. As even currently it just doesn't look good. Just looking at the structure like this, even if it ends here, it just looks bad. So it definitely doesn't have the right look compared to the bull count. This still has a proper look for a correction here, something like this, and nobody would blink an eye on this structure. It would just be looking like a textbook correction basically. But yeah, I think that's all I want to share on Atom today. Let me know if you have another count, or if you have other coins or updates you would like to request. Let me know down in the comment section below. But for now, I'll thank you for watching and hopefully see you on the channel again. Bye bye.